Those weeds are getting pretty tall. Gonna need something extra strong. Let's see. Crotchy, the hottest new toy this year. Hope they still have some in stock.
Hi there. Hey, mascot, I need a bad touch crotchy.
That'll be $100.
Fuck you.
You keep talking. I'll keep ignoring you.
If you say so.
There's something funny about him. Hi, how are you?
So how much does a bad touch crotchy go for on eBay?
Well, I'm not sure, but I can check.
Okay, I guess.
This seems like a good route.
That'll be $400.
Holy shit! You're kidding.
Yes.
Go screw yourself.
Goddamn liberal. What the?
I hope the bitch appreciates the trouble I went to. You probably thought you weren't gonna die today. Surprise.
What are you doing in here?
Maybe I should have waited for him to tell me where it is. Guess I'll have to find it myself now. Let's see. Can't forget Uncle Dave's birthday. He always throws such excellent parties in the compound. Jail. A small slice of urine-stained heaven with a little sodomy in the side.
I don't like the look of him.
Butt sauce. That's gonna be sore tomorrow. There it is. How convenient. Well, those people didn't seem very happy with me at all. Better watch my ass. Fuck me, I better get home. If there were stricter gun laws, this sort of thing wouldn't happen. Hey, Chico, I need an alternator for an 87 Dodge. Fuck you.
Someone's shooting over there. Go, go, go!
I'm an equal opportunity lunatic. Smells like chicken. Hey, they left the door unlocked again.
You there, turn around.
Hello, miss. I need to buy some napalm. To kill weeds in my lawn, as far as you know.
You got a problem?
Right about now, I'll bet you feel pretty silly putting all that money into your IRA.
Up yours, pig! Eat, let, and die, unbelieving heathen scum!
Will someone please remove this idiot?
No problemo.
If there were no guns, things like this would never happen.
Guns don't kill people. I do.
Yo, mama. You didn't! The candidate's dead!
Sweet Lord, no!
Damn, here I was minding my own business, just enjoying my Second Amendment rights, and you people have to freak out on me. Look, just sign the stupid petition. I've got stuff to do.
No, thanks.
Shit. Hey, now I can't feel my legs.
Oh man, don't make me see that.